Today I'm making corned beef my way, and to do this you need corned beef, chopped onions. Firstly, I'm going to fry my onions off until they're soft. I have used 2 onions. I am frying the onions in an olive oil spray. I sprayed about 4 squirts. As you can see, it's coated the pan nicely. Nothing's sticking. Now that the onions have softened, I'm going to add a little bit of boiling water just to stop it from sticking to the pan. I always use boiling water, as adding cold water will just slow down the cooking process. Now I'm going to add my corned beef. I'm using 2 tins as 1 tin doesn't really do my family of 4. Now I'm just going to stir and make sure all the corned beef is coated with the onions. If it starts to stick, just add a little bit of boiling hot water, just a bit at a time. Adding too much will make it really like stodgy and then it doesn't taste nice. I'm going to add a little bit of water. As you can see, it's sticking to the pan. So you need just that little bit, and then stir. See if you need any more on the other side. Yes, we do. This is a really easy meal to make, and it's so quick, it doesn't take long. going to add my seasoning now. I only really add black pepper to corned beef. It has a nice taste already. Adding a little bit more. And that's it really. It just cooks down until all the lumps are out. And then it's ready. I'll leave that there for about 2 minutes with the lid on. And then it will be ready. And I'll be back to show you the end result. Now I'm going to show you how to do rice. So tip it in as much as you need for your family. I don't really measure, but they do say 1 cup of rice with 3 cups of water, I think. So I'm using long basmati rice. And now I'm going to wash the rice, get most of the starch out. It's hard to get all of it out. When you're washing your rice, the colour of the water changes to like this really cloudy colour. And that's what you don't want, so that needs more washing. So now the rice has been washed, I'm going to fill up with water just above the rice. I use boiling water as it speeds up the cooking process. I have my rice on electric hob 4 and I'm going to be on there until the rice starts to simmer. So that's when all the bubbles come to the surface, and then we will be back. Now the rice is simmering, all the bubbles have come to the top. I'm going to put the lid on and turn it down to number 1, sorry, and let it cook. Rice is now done. I just need to add butter and it's finished. And here is the corned beef. Now that the liquid has gone, onions are soft and it's going to taste nice. I will be back when I have plated up to show you the final product. And there it is, corned beef, rice and sweet corn.